Today we're going to expand on our divisibility and we're going to look at the Sieve of Eratosthenes. At the end of the lesson, I want you guys to look up Eratosthenes and do a little paragraph telling me what you've learned about him. So this is his sieve. It's kind of cool. We're going to make it colorful. A sieve is kind of like a colander, and you'll start to see the connections between a colander, like a strainer that you would use for spaghetti, and what our little box is going to look like up here, our hundreds chart. So the first thing I want you to do is cross out the 1. So you're going to cross out the 1. And then you're going to start from 2. You're going to circle 2. But then you're going to cross out every multiple of 2. I'm going to color them in. So you're going to do 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, you're going to take this, cross out every every multiple of 2. And I'm going to use one color for that. Then you're going to start with 3. You're going to circle 3. And then you're going to cross out every multiple of 3. So that would be 3, 6. All right, 6 is already crossed off. So now I've got 9, 12 is crossed off, 15, 18 is crossed off, 21. You're going to do that with 3. Then you're going to go to 5. I want you to circle 5 and then cross out every multiple of 5. 10 is done, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 will already be crossed out because of your multiples of 2. But this is just what I have right here. And then you're going to go with 7, circle 7, and then cross off every multiple of 7. So 14 is done, 21, okay, 28. And you're just going to go all the way down to 100. And then do the same with all the primes that you know already. The numbers that are crossed, the numbers that are crossed are not primes because they are multiples of other numbers. The numbers that are circled are primes. And we talked about the definition of primes is they only have 2 factors, itself and 1. And then right down here, I want you to make a list of your prime numbers. And then on this page, I want you to answer these questions. How many prime numbers are less than 100? And then here is a question about twin primes. So twin primes are 2 primes that differ by 2. So 3 and 5 are twin primes because they differ by 2. 7 and 11 are not twin primes because they differ by 4. Can you find any other twin primes? And if so, I want you to list them right here. Then you're going to look at symmetrical primes. Those are prime numbers where their digits are reversed. 17 and 71 are both symmetrical primes, but 23 and 32 are not. Can you tell why? So see if you can look on our sieve and find other pairs like 17 and 71. And then if you do find them, I want you to list them there. And then lastly, have a look at how many primes there are up to 10, 20, 30, 40, etc., until 100. And then describe what you notice when you're looking at them, 10, 20s, 30s, 40s. And then don't forget to add your little paragraph about who Eratosthenes was.